Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload your custom mockups in Gelato in 2025. With the help of it, you can give your products a unique branded look when selling on Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to log in into your Gelato dashboard, and once you are here in your dashboard, you need to first of all select the store that you have already connected. It can be Shopify, Etsy, or any other platform that you are using. Now go to the stores section, then click on the option of create product in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, select the option of single product. Now select the option of create a template. Over here, you will see a bunch of different categories like t-shirts, hoodies, polos, pants, etc. So you need to select the product type like a t-shirt, mug, or frame or poster. And once you are on the design page, you can continue to the mockup selection. So for example, let's say I want to select the cards option here. It is going to show you a bunch of different cards and how these are going to look. So I'm going to be clicking off any one of these. Then you will be landed here inside this particular page. Now over here, simply hover over to the mockups tab here in the top. Over here, you will be able to see the your design option. So you can select any of the mockups that are available here. You can select just like this one, then select the option of make it as primary. Now if you go back to the dashboard, you will be able to see that in the create template, in the cards template, the mockup that will come here will look something like this. Now click on the upload option, and from your gallery simply upload the design that you want to place here. Let's say I want to place this particular design, so I'm going to be selecting it. After that, you need to simply just drag and drop it here in the mockup and make sure that it aligns properly. If you want to add any text, you can definitely do so. So after doing this, just like so, simply click on the continue to mockup option or the save design option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. This way you will be able to upload your custom mockups to Gelato and customize it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.